Hello everyone and a very warm welcome to Grammar Point. I hope you all are doing absolutely fine. Before we start, let me ask you something very honestly. Please don't answer loudly, just answer in your mind. Do you understand English but hesitate to speak? Do you feel nervous when someone talks to you in English? Do you think, I know the answer but I can't say it? If your answer is yes, then this video is especially made for you. Today, we'll talk about how to start speaking English without hesitation. And trust me, by the end of this video, you will feel lighter, motivated, and confident. Let's first understand why hesitation happens. Many learners think my grammar is weak, my vocabulary is poor, my accent is bad. But listen carefully. The real problem is fear. Fear of making mistakes, being judged, being laughed at, speaking wrong English. Let me ask you one more thing. Did you speak your mother tongue perfectly when you were born? Of course not. You learned it by listening, trying, making mistakes, repeating again and again. So, why are you expecting perfect English immediately? English is a skill, not an exam. Rule number one, stop translating in your head. This is the biggest reason for hesitation. Most learners follow this process: mother tongue, translate, grammar check, speak, and by that time, the moment is gone. Instead, you must start thinking in English slowly. Start with small thoughts, not long sentences. For example, right now think, I'm watching a video. This lesson is helpful. I'll practice today. Simple thoughts build speaking speed and confidence. Remember, simple English spoken confidently is better than perfect English stuck in the mind. Rule number two, speak slowly, not perfectly. Many learners feel I speak slowly, so my English is bad. That is completely wrong. Speaking slowly means you are thinking clearly, you are confident, you are in control. Even native speakers pause, think, and correct themselves. So relax. Say, I am learning English. That's okay. Don't rush, don't panic. Fluency is comfort, not a speed. Rule number three, talk to yourself daily. This is one of the most powerful techniques. Yes, talk to yourself. No fear, no judgment. Every day spend 5 to 10 minutes speaking alone. For example, good morning. Today I'll practice English. I'm becoming confident. You can do this in front of a mirror, while walking, before sleeping. This practice removes fear and builds muscle memory for speaking. Rule number four, use daily life English. Don't start with difficult sentences. English is used in daily life, not textbooks. Use English in home, travel, shopping, phone calls. Examples: I'm feeling tired. I need some help. Please give me 1 minute. When English becomes part of your routine, hesitation automatically disappears. Rule number five, accept mistakes happily. Let me say this clearly. Mistakes are your best teachers, guys. If someone corrects you, smile, say thank you. Never feel ashamed. Even teachers make mistakes. Even native speakers make mistakes. Remember, no mistakes, no improvement, no practice, no confidence. Rule number six, practice small but daily. Don't study English for 3 hours once a week. Instead, 10 to 15 minutes daily, speaking a little every day. Consistency over perfection. English loves regular practice. Before ending, let me talk to you from my heart. You don't need perfect grammar, heavy vocabulary, foreign accent. You need courage, practice, patience. Start today, start now. One sentence, one word, one thought. And one day you will smile and say, yes, I can speak English without hesitation. If this video helped you even a little, like this video, subscribe to Grammar Point, and practice English with me every day. Comment below. I will start speaking English today. See you in the next video. Till then, Keep speaking, keep learning. Bye bye. Sayonara.